Can you imagine keeping the lights on when everyone else in the neighborhood is in darkness? Well, that's precisely what happened when a clever inventor wired his shed to run on sunlight. Let's explore how he did it and why solar power is such a bright idea. Solar panels are clever devices that turn sunlight into electricity. They're made up of many small units called photovoltaic cells. When the sun shines on these cells, it frees up tiny particles called electrons. These electrons whiz around and create something called direct current, or DC for short. However, most of our home appliances need a different kind of electricity called alternating current, or AC. That's where an important piece of equipment called the inverter comes into play. The inverter takes the DC electricity from the solar panels and changes it into AC electricity that we can use in our homes. But what happens when the sun goes to bed at night or when the weather is cloudy? This is where batteries come in handy. They store any extra electricity generated during sunny days, so we can use it later when there's no sun. Having batteries is particularly useful during power outages or at night when the solar panels aren't producing electricity. Setting up a solar-powered shed is like building with Lego blocks. It starts bit by bit. The solar panels can be attached to the shed roof or mounted on the ground. These panels are connected in strings that collect all the electricity they produce. The inverter, batteries, charge controller, and safety disconnects are then added to complete the setup. When starting, there's a lot to learn. You might begin with just a few solar panels and pay attention to their angle and where the shade falls. Like a gardener caring for plants, you might need to add more panels, adjust their orientation to catch as much sunlight as possible, and increase the number of batteries to store more power. Sometimes, things can go wrong. Perhaps a wire becomes loose or there's a problem with the inverter. But with some problem solving and a bit of tinkering, these issues can be fixed. Over time, as you expand the system by adding more panels and upgrading components, the energy production steadies. At some point, you'll notice that your solar system is providing enough electricity to power your shed even through the night. Plus, the stored energy during power outages gives you peace of mind that your lights will stay on when others might not. So, while having a solar-powered shed might not fix every single problem, it does make electricity more reliable and can save money in the long run. This clever use of technology is an example of how science can be practical and help us harness the power of nature. With regular checks and maintenance, your solar-powered system will make sure the sun's energy lights up your world, even when the grid goes dark.